Here's a clean, engaging English video script based on your phrases. Perfect for a relationship, psychology, YouTube video. Title: Phrases that slowly end a relationship. Intro: 0 o'clock to 0:20. Some relationships don't end because of cheating or fights. They end because of words. Small sentences side kaswayi. Repeated. Often. Today, we're talking about phrases that silently destroy relationships and why they're so dangerous. Scene 1. Emotional dismissal 0:20 to 1:20. You're making a big deal out of nothing. Nobody else would be bothered by that. You're imagining things? These phrases tell your partner one thing: your feelings don't matter. When emotions are dismissed again and again, trust fades. A relationship cannot survive where one person feels unheard. Scene 2. Emotional shutdown 1:22 to 20. I didn't mean it that way, get over it. Everything would be okay if you just stopped complaining. These sentences avoid responsibility. Instead of fixing the problem, they blame the pain itself. Over time, the hurt partner stops talking, and silence becomes the beginning of the end. Scene 3. Threats and ultimatums 2:20 to 3:20. If you don't like it, you don't have to be with me. If you don't talk about this right now, we're done. Take it or leave it. I don't care either way. Love should never feel like a threat. Ultimatums replace safety with fear, and fear kills connection. Scene 4. Blame and gaslighting. 3:22, 4:20. I'm not the one with the problem. You are. You are. I guess I just can't do anything right then. Huh. Like you've never done anything wrong. These phrases twist the truth. They make one partner doubt themselves while the other avoids accountability. This is how emotional distance becomes permanent. Scene 5. Comparison and final damage. For 22:5:10. This wasn't an issue in my last relationship. Comparison is poison. It tells your partner they're replaceable and never enough. No relationship survives constant comparison. Closing message, 5:10 to 5:30. Words can heal. Words can destroy. Choose carefully because sometimes relationships don't break. They fade the Hawaii, run sentence H at time. Outro, setia. If this video helped you understand relationships better, like the video, subscribe to Bellicon and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Bellicon, where psychology meets real relationships. If you want, I can also create shorts, reels version, thumbnail text, description, plus hashtags voiceover pacing. Just tell me.